Okay, have fun.
Hey, buddy. We'll see you.
Yeah.
I can blaze a trail. There's a beaver.
A beaver? So did you see the beaver?
No, but you can see where he's pulling all the logs.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Wow.
Let's leave this out. Actually, we'll put it on the map.
So how was it?
It's fun. What are you making?
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Eggs.
Oh. Well, welcome back. We've had some crazy weather, one extreme to the other. We were minus 37 at our coldest, and now we're +2. And
Yeah.
it's made a super big mess.
A super big mess. We had about 1.5 feet of snow on the greenhouse, on the glass. James and I shoveled it off just in time because once it started to melt, it was really heavy.
We actually got a bunch of rain it rained for about 30 hours straight.
Yeah, rain in December in Canada. It's very strange. So,
Yeah.
needless to say, our driveway and everything is a huge slushy mess. But today, we are going to take you to show you something really cool that actually James found yesterday when he went to go get water with his friend in the side-by-side with the...
Yeah, side by side with the tracks on it. The wheels replaced the tracks. I don't know exactly what you call it, but it's
Snow tracks?
Yeah, snow tracks instead of wheels. It's pretty cool.
And we tried to go get water with the truck, but it was totally impossible to pass through there. So we had to wait a couple days till we could get water.
We're gonna try to get there in the truck, and hopefully we don't get stuck.
Yeah.
But there's some pretty big ruts, and because of the amount of snow we had, we'll see. Hopefully we don't get stuck. But
Yeah.
I really want to show Michelle what I found, and
we're going to take you along for the ride.
yeah, let's go.
Hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to bring a jacket and mitts just in case we get stuck.
Joe, chill. Listen to that.
It's crunchy.
In our driveway, let's start.
Chicken. we got pretty far on the back roads. We're almost to the spot, and we're gonna walk from here. Right?
Yeah, it's just down around the bend, but this is a good spot for us to turn around. Nice and wide open, so.
What a view. Wow.
Hey, John. So I wanted to show you the busy beaver. It's pretty cool. I've actually never seen one beaver's work site before. It's got some huge wood chips from gnawing at it, and he's actually an expert tree hugger. Check out the end of that. Like, he's actually gnawing on it on the right side to have it fall in a certain direction.
Over here?
Yeah, like that one you can see from the high side.
Yeah.
And look at that. So this tree that you're leaning on.
Yeah.
Here, let me go over there.
Okay.
You're on a tree that's from this stump. This tree he's already fell, and it's gone over to his nest, to his dam. He's already taken this big tree away.
Yeah.
Right? Now he's starting on that one, but he fell the one that you're leaning on. And then he's hauling it like, I don't know how many hundreds of feet over to his dam. How does he even do it? It's pretty amazing. And that he can actually chew it and fall it in a certain direction.
Yeah, that's very, very cool.
Yeah.
Here, take the camera and film from that angle.
Mm-hmm. Hey, so we should walk over and check out the, well, let's go along here first. He's not a bit there. He's not a bit here. He's like picking his lengths, and then he's like, oh, I'm just gonna chop it off here. This has got to be 40 feet long, this tree, if not a little bit longer. I think it's a poplar, yeah. Really hard to tell between the birch and but poplars are a little bit more prevalent out here.
And he's fell it across this logging road.
Yeah, we had to drive.
Hilarious. So I assume his next deal is he's going to pull it through
Yeah.
to his dam, wherever that is.
Yeah, he's got a path over here, you can see. So we'll try to fly in there, not to disrupt him. We'll try and fly in there and see if we can see his dam. We don't want
to disrupt him.
No.
Or her.
It's probably a family.
Ah!
I think what do you call a family of beavers? A den? No, they make a den.
Let's look it up.
Okay.
So the path starts here.
Here. Yeah, he's worked in a pretty good path there.
Yeah, there's all kinds of different little trails.
Yeah, and you can also see, like, I'm just gonna walk over here. He's just going to town in this area. He's got these ones not off, these ones not off. There's some more over here not off. And this must be part of his path too. But he's like just working on trees all over the place. I wonder if he knows how to pick the dead ones, or if he even cares.
I know, I was thinking that.
Yeah, but he's got quite the network of paths going here.
Mm-hmm.
We'll try to fly the drone in there and see. Hopefully I don't hit anything.
I bet his dam is down there, obviously. This is this area. This is a really low area, so in the summer
It's real swampy.
it's really swampy. It's like one of my favorite parts when we drive to go get water.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful in here.
Pretty magical.
Yeah.